So here we have the latest offering from the Pulsar brand, the new Proton FXQ30. It boasts a 384, 288, 40 millikelvin, 17 micron sensor. In the back, it's got a 1024, 768 AMOLED display. It boasts a 1.20 f-stop lens. Detection range is 900 meters, and it records in 864, 648, MP4 for your videos and JPEG for your photos. So the Proton, this is a little bit different to the Krypton. This is actually a fixed focus unit. So this is fixed focus from 15 meters out to infinity. The other thing I like with this is it comes with two APS-5 batteries. So you've always got a spare one to keep you covered. Moving on to the fixings, you use a PSP50 adapter for this scope that I'm using here, but you can also get a PSP 42mm adapter and also a 56 adapter. In with the adapter of your choice for your scope, you get 7 shims. So it's a case of taking it off, making sure you've got the shim so it fits nicely on there before tightening it up. It's really easy to take off. Just flick the lever across and just take it off like that. And your PSP adapter is already fixed to it. So just pop it straight back on, make sure it's lined up, flick your throw lever across and you're ready to shoot. You couldn't get anything more simpler to use for a thermal attachment. There is no need to re-zero or anything. Your point of impact doesn't change with the front add-on because basically your day scope is just looking at a screen. The thing that you need to be careful about with the Proton is you need to have a really low magnification scope. This is actually a 3x15 by 56. Ideally, a 2 magnification or 2.5 magnification would be perfect, as Pulsar only recommend that this goes up to 4 or 5 mag max. So just taking this off, we'll take a little look at the buttons and everything on it. So as you can see here on the top, you've got your little rubber cup there. That's for your charging or data extraction point, and that uses a USB-C adapter. You've got your 30mm lens on there, your APS-5 battery in there, which you get 2 of. And then here you've got your main menu button and your menu wheel, so that'll take you through the menu. You've got your record button there and your on-off button there. This is the Pulsar Proton FXQ30, and it's available from your retailers for $2,649.95 here in the UK.